This came from a local thrift store, and I got this a couple months ago before the quarantine started. So I'm starting to pull out things, see what I can do with them. If you know me, you know that I like to keep things kind of in their original state, how I found them. I don't like redoing everything, and I just like the old look of everything. But this one needs a little bit of work. Isn't that awesome? We get a chance to look inside and see inside the life of a TV repairman. Inside his toolkit. Let's see if I can just open it up here a little bit. This is how I bought it. So it'll be fun to go through all this stuff, clean it up. I'll put it all back inside again, but I'm going to try to make the box look a little bit better. So watch this video and you'll see the transformation. Sadly, I don't think that most of these tools are original with the RCA Toolbox. I think someone was just using this as their go-to toolbox, and over the years it has collected many things. I do see one little thing right here that looks like a little test tube, and that's why I'm thinking maybe is original to this, but everything else really is not TV related that I can tell. Even though the items are not TV related, I'm going to still clean them up and pick out a few select ones that I'll keep with the toolbox, how I found it. And I do have some TV test tubes at the shop, so I'll add these to this little collection here. I didn't want to have to do this, but because it is so filthy inside, it had to be done. While the toolbox is drying, I went ahead and washed, rinsed, and dried the contents, and I'll pick a few things out that I'll keep in the toolbox, and the rest will be donated. There are a few things I think that are a little bit vintage. This nice little plug, that little teeny tube thing, that's a little tube right there. A couple little small gears, some cute little things. There's a spark plug that I'll keep. Just a few little things that I think I'll include with the box. I like the pencils too, because that means that somebody was actually drawing plans and writing their thoughts and feelings down while they were building something. So I do like this. I took some of the dirt off of it. I have no clue what it is, but I kind of like it because it represents how dirty the toolbox was when I found it. One of my vendors at the Fantastic Vintage Market, Heather of Penny Farthing Furniture, sells Wise Owl products. This product is the natural wax, and it's becoming one of my most favorite products to use. It has amazing results. I actually went down to the Fantastic Vintage Market, and in my shop I had some tubes, so I went ahead and grabbed them and brought them home. I'll open up a couple here. Sorry. They're really cool looking. There's one more here too. Leave this one open before we end. Yeah. These are used in old radios and old TVs. And I was actually down close near an antique mall, so I actually went in there and looked around to see if I could find any TV related stuff. And whenever I get a feeling I always want to stop, I do, because I found something really amazing. Look at this. Look how cute this is, this old TV antenna. So I have a great start to my TV collection now. So let's get all this put together. Here's the finished product. I would like to eventually replace all these little tools in here with the real things. So now on my out and about, I will be looking for TV repair manuals and TV repair items to go inside here. I'm in love with this little toolbox. It's the cutest little thing, and I can't wait to find a place to put it in my home. We had a flood in the house about a month ago. Our daughter had the bathtub on upstairs and it overflowed. And I came downstairs, so half the house right now is packed up while reconstruction is being completed. So this is kind of my makeshift desk at the time. And they're going to sit here with a couple of other things that I love and wait until everything else returns to the home. So I hope that you can join us again for more great videos on things that I find and want to fix up. And have a great day, and make sure you join Gaku Bones. Have a great day.